Hello, this is Dr. Sukesh Rao Sankineani, consultant shoulder surgery, arthroscopy and joint replacement. Today we'll know what is reverse shoulder arthroplasty. Reverse shoulder arthroplasty is a new type of prosthesis that has been introduced in the market. It has been there in the Western world since the past 10 years but has been recently introduced to the India market. This particular type of arthroplasty takes away the conventional way we operate on shoulder arthritis. You don't require a particular set of muscles called the rotator cuff for this. So this arthroplasty can be used in patients in which the cuff is deficient. It can also be used in patients who have fractures and the fractures cannot be treated in the normal way. It also can be used in patients who have failed fracture fixation. This surgery is straightforward, the results are pretty predictable and the patients have very good outcomes with this particular type of arthroplasty. This type of arthroplasty has, what we do is it's called reverse because we change the way the shoulder is. Normal shoulder has a ball and a cavity. In a reverse shoulder, we replace the cavity with a ball and the ball with a cavity.
If you found this video useful, like, comment, and subscribe for more health updates.